I have 3 pounds, 3.1, 80/20 ground beef. Ugh. I'm going to put it into the pan. I'm going to make a giant hamburger. Cook one side, get it nice and caramelized, cook the other side, then break it up. Alright, wait for it. Alright, it's about 5 minutes. Starting to see and smell the burny. Now we got to drain it. Easiest way. Put a plate over it and drain it. Wait for it. And drained and flipped. Now it's time to do the same thing to the other side. So another 5 minutes. You can see some of the juices starting to come out of that one. Alright, we got burny on the second side. Now we got to drain this now. Of course, we don't have raw meat. We're going to use this side, so wait for it. I use the plate to squeeze out as much juice as possible. Gotta finish cooking it. Get rid of some of that. As you can tell, that's the side I drained it on. And we're just gonna chop it up. Get rid of the red. Alright, I like to shoot short videos, so wait for it. Alright, that didn't take long. Ooh. Got the brownie on some of that meat. Looking to the bottom. Not a lot of moisture at all. So wait for it. One thing I like to do before I add the Manwich is get rid of some of that juice. So, alright, I have 10 paper towels, half paper towels, folded in half. See some of the juice, some of the oil. Let's throw it in the bottom. Let's throw the meat over the top. I'll just let it sit there for 5 minutes, absorbing up all the juices and all the fat. Make it healthier, right? Look at my greasy fingers. Alright, been about 5 minutes. You could see that paper towel absorbed all that moisture in the bottom. We still have more, so we need more paper towels. Alright, a little overkill with 10 more napkins, but we want to get all the juice out and all the fat. Oops. That's still steaming. Give it another 5 minutes. We're ready to go. Alright, I'm using a plate to squeeze out as much of that juice as I can. Grease, whatever. And there's our paper towel. Almost fully saturated. But that's good enough. Hold on. Alright, as you can see in the bottom of the pan, got rid of almost all the moisture and all the fat. Want it healthy. And it's Manwich time. Oops, we have a problem. get all the juice that we can out of here. It's time to wok it up. Could I have used 2 cans? Then it would probably be too wet. If you like it wetter, make it wetter. To me, that's perfect. A lot of flavor in this Manwich. If you don't like red meat, you could have done it with turkey or ground chicken. I don't know if they do tofu. I guess you could do tofu. To me, that's perfect. Look at that. Six-minute long video. And that's how I do Manwich. Thick and chunky. 3.1 pounds of ground beef, cooked and then drained. Yummy. Love it.